Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply a bling sparkling filter to your edits in Funimate. So here I've already opened my edits, and to add the bling filter, you just need to click on this filter menu at the bottom, and here just swipe through the option until you find the bling section. Okay, this one. There are 8 options that you can choose, but if you are on the free Funimate like I did, you can only choose number 1, 2, 4, 5, and also 7. So I'm going to just try the number 4. So it will become like this. So you can just choose which one that you think fits your video the best. Okay, I'm going to just use the bling one, and after that click on a check icon at the top, and just like that the filter will be applied to your edits. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.